Setting up a woodworking workshop is an exciting journey that transforms a simple space into a creative haven. Whether you are a seasoned craftsman or a beginner, having the right materials and tools is essential for success. This video will guide you through the fundamental components needed to create a functional and inspiring woodworking workshop. From essential tools to workspace organization, every detail matters in crafting your ideal environment. The backbone of any woodworking workshop is its tools. First on the list is the table saw, a versatile machine that allows you to make precise cuts in various types of wood. This tool is indispensable for ripping boards and making crosscuts. Next, consider investing in a miter saw, which excels at making angled cuts, perfect for projects like picture frames or furniture. Don't overlook the importance of a router, which can shape edges and create intricate designs. Safety should always be a priority in any woodworking workshop. Investing in personal protective equipment is essential. Start with safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Hearing protection is crucial when using loud machinery, and a dust mask or respirator will help keep harmful particles out of your lungs. Additionally, consider using gloves that provide grip while still allowing dexterity. A first aid kit should also be readily available in case of minor accidents. Remember, a safe workshop is a productive workshop. A sturdy workbench is the heart of your woodworking workshop. It should be large enough to accommodate your projects and durable enough to withstand heavy use. Look for a bench with a flat surface and built-in vices for holding wood securely while you work. Storage solutions are equally important. Shelving units, cabinets, and tool chests help keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Consider pegboards for hanging tools, making them easily accessible while maximizing wall space. The type of wood you choose will greatly influence your projects. Softwoods like pine and cedar are excellent for beginners due to their ease of handling and affordability. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut offer durability and beauty, but may require more advanced techniques. Understanding the characteristics of different woods will help you select the right material for each project. Additionally, consider sourcing reclaimed wood for a sustainable option that adds unique character to your creations. A woodworking workshop often requires a significant amount of electrical power, especially if you are using multiple tools simultaneously. Ensure that your workspace has sufficient outlets, ideally with surge protection. Consider installing dedicated circuits for heavy machinery like table saws and dust collectors. Proper lighting is also crucial. Bright, even lighting helps you see your work clearly and reduces the risk of mistakes. Task lighting over your workbench can enhance visibility for detailed tasks. Woodworking generates a considerable amount of dust and debris, which can be harmful to your health and create a messy workspace. A dust collection system is an investment worth making. These systems help capture dust at the source, keeping your workshop cleaner and safer. Portable shop vacuums are a good starting point for smaller setups, while larger workshops may benefit from a stationary dust collector. Make sure to regularly clean and maintain your dust collection system for optimal performance. The layout of your woodworking workshop plays a significant role in your workflow. Arrange your tools and equipment in a way that minimizes movement and maximizes efficiency. Place frequently used tools within easy reach and designate specific areas for cutting, assembling, and finishing. Consider the flow of your projects from start to finish, ensuring that each step is logical and convenient. A well-organized workshop not only enhances productivity, but also makes the woodworking experience more enjoyable. Once you have the essentials in place, it's time to add personal touches to your workshop. Consider displaying your favorite tools, artwork, or inspirational quotes to create an inviting atmosphere. Adding plants can improve air quality and provide a calming effect. Personalizing your space can make it feel more like your own, encouraging creativity and passion in your woodworking endeavors. Remember, a workshop is not just a place to work. It's a reflection of your personality and craftsmanship. Setting up a woodworking workshop is a fulfilling project that requires careful planning and consideration. By gathering the right tools, ensuring safety, and organizing your space effectively, you can create a workshop that inspires creativity and productivity. Embrace the journey of woodworking, and let your workshop be a place where ideas come to life, one project at a time.